Hi friends, welcome back to Stockhood channel for yet another video on stock analysis. So without any further delay, let's get started in today's video. So the stock we are going to discuss today is actually called the Badshah of two-wheelers in India. So no prizes for guessing friends. So it is Hero Motors. Let us know a little bit of Hero Motors. There's no need of any introduction for Hero Motors in India. Every Indian would be knowing what Hero Motors actually does, right? Just for information, Hero MotoCorp is the world's largest manufacturer of two-wheelers in terms of unit volume sold, right? And this has been consistent for 19 years, right? They have a range of bikes from Glamour, Splendor, and other things, and also they have a two-wheeler mopeds as well. So let us see how it is faring in the recent past. So if you see the chart of the Hero Motors from the last 1 year, I think it is very scary. It has been almost a 30% fall from its peak of nearly 3,500. So the current range at which it is trading is around 2,450. The moment the retail investors sees this, they'll get scary, and I think this is not a stock we should invest. Something is bad happening in this. But is that the case? Let's look into it, right? So let us see what are the reasons for the fall in the price. When I checked in the public domain for the reason for the fall in the prices, I got few details about it, right? So one is the cost input. So whatever the input that goes into the manufacturing of the vehicle, like the iron or the engine manufacturing, all this has gone up. The labor charges, everything has gone up. And then there is also a lower sales in rural. Motorcorp has its largest share in the rural India, so the rural market sales has been quite low, right? And the other reason is FIIs are selling these all the stocks irrespective of the sector, and all the stocks have been sold by FIIs in the last. That is also one of the reason for why Hero MotoCorp has taken a hit, right? So let us see what has happened and how the company is reacting to these. If you see this report, this is available in Money Control. This has been published on December 23rd. Hero MotoCorp has already decided to rise the price of motorcycle and scooters by around 2000 from January 4th, right? So this will come into effect very soon. So this will actually help to improve the margins of the company, right? So another reason what is there is the lower sales in rural market. So is it only for the Hero MotoCorp that is actually affecting the sales? No. If I see the recent video from one of the leading channels, here you can clearly see that the rural auto sales is down for all the companies like Escorts, M&M, tractors, and Hero Motors, right? It is not specific to one company, it is across the board. And because of this, it is a macro issue which is actually affecting the company. So these are the things which will actually bounce back in some time. So this is a short term pain that the company is going through, and this will definitely will the company once the rural market revives. So definitely the shares of Hero MotoCorp will also increase, right? So before we continue further in this video, friends, I just wanted to share with you another video which I had recently published, right, on the 5G sector in India and the companies that going to give a multi-bagger return in next 9 to 10 months, right? Please check out that video. I'm going to tag it somewhere here. To continue with Hero MotoCorp, friends, previously I had shown you how Hero MotoCorp shares has hit a rough patch, and it will bounce back to its previous highs. But there are quite a reasons why it will outperform its past highs. So let us look into some of the reasons. So one of the reason is Ether Energy. They have invested almost 130 crores in this electric two-wheeler manufacturer company in Bangalore. So this is one of the leading electric scooters in India. Right. Currently, Ether is not in a profitable business, and once it comes out of the phase and start producing profit, so Hero MotoCorp will positively be impacted by the revenues generated by Ether. So this is also one of the reasons why it will outperform its past prices. The second reason is Hero MotoCorp has already started manufacturing their own electric scooters, and it is due to launch in March 2022. right? So this will also give a additional boost to the revenues of Hero MotoCorp, and this will help in increasing the share prices of Hero MotoCorp. Another key perspective is they have already started a partnership with Harley Davidson. All right, Harley Davidson and Hero MotoCorp have entered into a partnership last year where Hero MotoCorp will sell and service Harley Davidson bikes in India. Given the huge distribution and the dealer network that Hero Motors have, this can easily be marketed across India, and this will have an additional revenue boost to the Hero MotoCorp. So, what do you think about Harley Davidson, friends? Which is your favorite Harley bike? I would like to know about it in the comment section. Do comment here. So, let's continue with the reasons. So other reason is electric scooter ecosystem. All right, this is similar to what we have seen in Tata Motors. All right, here Hero MotoCorp is also planning and thinking big in terms of the electric vehicle ecosystem. Right, so they have already have plans for a fixed charging and battery swapping ecosystem. Right, and in with this perspective, they have also entered into a partnership with a Taiwanese company called Gogoro, where Gogoro is the leading battery swapping company in Taiwan. Right, so these are all the reasons which will boost the revenues of Hero MotoCorp. Let us see one more reason why it will hit a high. Right, so the export market is also improving for Hero MotoCorp. Currently, Bajaj is the leading exporter of two-wheelers from India, but this is going to change. Right, recently they have already started exporting their vehicles to Argentina, so this will also increase their revenues in the coming days. All right, here this is a technical analysis that I have made, friends. So this is a 6 month chart of Hero MotoCorp, and I have just made a trend line touching the bottom points of the chart and also the peaks. Right, so here you can clearly see a trend in which it is currently trading, and I see that it is coming out of this trend line. Right, so I think we are in a verge of a rally of Hero MotoCorp since it has hit the lower point. And also, if you see the 5 year chart of Hero MotoCorp, this was a high resistance that it has touched, and from there it has started to bounce back. Right, the values of around 2025 was a high resistance. It has almost touched to that value and coming out of this trend line. Right, so this is a good time to invest in Hero MotoCorp to have a 2x return in around 9 to 12 months. So friend, if you like this video, please hit the like button and share with your family and friends. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.